The treasure at the center of Bid's 3 stores is genuine customer quality. Another dolphin has carved a hole in the battery pack half a year ago to take a look. Everything inside the battery pack is fine, but Sasai said it was man-made damage and cancelled the warranty. Now the owner of this 4's1 car has spent tens of thousands of yuan to replace the entire electronic newspaper. The owner of the car was unwilling, so he brought the car over and asked us to repair it just now. We read the fault code and reported that it was a jade flush failure. The fault was a problem inside the battery pack. Disassemble the battery pack and disassemble the power distribution assembly of the battery pack. This is the power distribution assembly of the battery wave. This is the fish insect resistor. We measured the size to organize the size of 200 ohms. No problem. This is because the fuse has been disconnected and broken. There is no problem in connecting it out. So we only need to replace it with a new fuse to handle the physical problem. Replace the fuse, reinstall the do, pack the battery, and the car can be driven normally. Let me complain again about the Kaido battery pack. This battery pack is cold and has no cooling effect. The cooling effect is not very good. Moreover, this knife surface pool is an integral part hung with glue. If you replace a battery, you can only replace the entire battery pack. The battery and bottom case are glued together and cannot be disassembled. But if you replace a telecom company, you will have to spend tens of thousands of dollars to replace the entire battery pack.